Hi, Brendan from Metra Electronics here with a new solution for 2017 and up Kia Optimas, the 99-7384B. This kit is designed for a single and double din install and is painted matte black with a silver trim. Now this is a new style of kits that has integrated electronics with laser edge graphics to retain your factory climate control display and features. This kit is also plug and play with your factory backup cam and our ASWC1 for steering wheel controls. To finalize this install, your wiring harness, antenna adapter, ASWC1, and your backup camera harness are all included. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.